Did you know you can clean your entire bathroom using only vinegar and baking soda? This surprising fact is not only true but also illustrates the power of simple household items in transforming dirty spaces into sparkling havens. The idea that such basic ingredients can effectively replace harsh chemicals is both appealing and environmentally friendly. Vinegar, a mild acid, and baking soda, a gentle abrasive, together create a reaction that lifts dirt and breaks down stains. This combination can tackle everything from grimy grout to cloudy mirrors. The beauty of using these ingredients lies in their availability, affordability, and non-toxic nature, making them perfect for households with pets or children. Imagine opening your bathroom door to find gleaming surfaces, streak-free mirrors, and a fresh, clean scent, all achieved without harmful chemicals. This scenario is not only possible but easy to achieve with the right knowledge and tools. By embracing these simple solutions, you can make a significant impact on the cleanliness and healthiness of your home. In addition to being effective, vinegar and baking soda are safe to use on a variety of surfaces, ensuring that you can clean many areas of your home without worry. This initial cleaning hack sets the stage for a series of effective and easy deep cleaning tips that will be discussed throughout this essay. Deep cleaning does more than just remove surface dirt. It transforms your living space into a refreshing and revitalizing environment. When you deep clean, you're not just scrubbing away dirt, you're enhancing your living experience, increasing the aesthetic appeal of your home, and often improving the air quality. The process of deep cleaning involves reaching into every nook and cranny, ensuring that even the most hidden dust and grime are removed. This level of detail can make your home feel brand new and can be particularly satisfying. Deep cleaning isn't just about aesthetics, it is also about maintaining a healthy environment where allergens and bacteria are minimized. For many, the idea of deep cleaning can seem daunting. However, when armed with the right hacks and a systematic approach, it can be less time-consuming and more effective. Think of deep cleaning as not just a chore, but as a refreshing reset for your home, a way to reclaim spaces from the clutches of clutter and dirt. Embracing the concept of deep cleaning can lead to a more organized home and a clearer mind. The act of cleaning can be therapeutic, offering a physical way to cleanse your space and, by extension, your life. This section will pave the way for understanding how specific hacks can ease the burden of deep cleaning, making it more accessible and less intimidating. One of the biggest challenges in maintaining a clean home is dealing with persistent problems like tough stains, soap scum, and lingering odors. These issues can make cleaning feel like a never-ending battle. However, with the right strategies, these common foes can be efficiently managed if not completely eradicated. Soap scum, for example, is a frequent nuisance in bathrooms. It forms a layer over surfaces that can be hard to remove with regular cleaning products. But with a solution of vinegar and dish soap, you can cut through the scum effectively. The acid in vinegar breaks down the residue while the soap lifts it away, making your cleaning process smoother and faster. Tough stains on carpets and upholstery can seem daunting, but they don't have to be permanent. A paste made from baking soda and water can be applied to stains, left to sit, and then scrubbed away, often lifting the stain completely. This method is particularly useful for organic stains like food or mud. Odors can also permeate textiles and spaces, making them feel less fresh. A simple hack for combating this is using a spray made from water and essential oils like lavender or lemon. Not only does this solution deal with odors, but it also adds a pleasant scent to your home, enhancing the overall ambiance. Section 4. Cleaning hacks for everyday items. Everyday items around your home can be kept in pristine condition with some clever cleaning hacks. For instance, faucets and sinks often suffer from water spots and mineral deposits. A combination of lemon and salt can be used to scrub these away, leaving your fixtures shining. The acidity of the lemon dissolves the deposits, while the salt acts as a gentle abrasive. In the kitchen, appliances like microwaves and refrigerators can benefit greatly from steam cleaning. Placing a bowl of water with some lemon slices inside the microwave and running it on high for a few minutes can loosen grime, making it easy to wipe away. Similarly, for refrigerators, a solution of water and baking soda can deodorize and clean without leaving chemical residues. Another tip involves the use of chalk before you wash clothes. Chalk can be used to absorb grease spots on fabrics. Simply rub the chalk over the stain before tossing the garment in the wash. This hack is especially useful for those pesky, small stains that can otherwise ruin an outfit. Cleaning windows can also be made easier with vinegar. Mixing a solution of water and vinegar and using newspaper to clean the glass can leave windows streak-free and clear. This method not only recycles old newspapers but also avoids the streaks that commercial cleaners often leave behind. Section 5. The ultimate hack squeegee for pet hair. For pet owners, one of the most troublesome aspects of cleaning is dealing with pet hair on carpets and furniture. While vacuum cleaners can do a lot of the work, they often miss finer hairs. Here's where a simple tool like a squeegee can come in handy. The rubber blade can catch and pull up hair that vacuums may not get, making this a top hack for pet-friendly homes. Using a squeegee is simple. Just drag it across your carpet or upholstered furniture like you would on a window. The friction created by the rubber pulls the hair out of the fibers, gathering it into clumps that can be easily picked up and disposed of. This method not only cleans, but also helps in maintaining the fabric's integrity by avoiding the harsh bristles of a vacuum. Additionally, this hack can extend the life of your vacuum cleaner, as less hair means less clogging and better performance. For deeper cleans, alternating between vacuuming and using the squeegee can ensure that your carpets and furniture are not only clean but also maintained in top condition. This hack is easy, economical, and effective, making it a must-try for anyone with pets. By incorporating this simple tool into your cleaning routine, you can dramatically reduce the amount of pet hair in your home, leading to a cleaner, more comfortable living environment. Section 6. Recap: Top Deep Cleaning Tricks. Throughout this essay, several key hacks have been highlighted that can significantly ease and enhance your cleaning routine. Using vinegar and baking soda for a variety of tasks not only leverages these ingredients' natural cleaning properties but also promotes a healthier home environment. Lemon and salt for cleaning faucets, steam cleaning for appliances, and chalk for stains are all methods that harness simple items for impactful results. The squeegee hack for pet hair stands out as a particularly effective solution for a common problem faced by pet owners. This tool, typically used for windows, proves its versatility and effectiveness on fabrics, addressing one of the more challenging aspects of home cleaning. These hacks do not just clean, they transform your living space. By removing allergens, bacteria, and dirt, they contribute to a healthier, more enjoyable home environment. Each hack is designed to be easy to implement and effective, making deep cleaning less of a chore and more of a satisfying activity. Recapping these methods not only serves to remind of their utility, but also encourages ongoing exploration and adaptation of these hacks in various home settings. The aim is to make cleaning less daunting and more rewarding, with each effort bringing noticeable improvements to your home. Section 7. Engage and share. Join the cleaning revolution. Now that you are equipped with these deep cleaning hacks, the next step is to put them into practice. Try these methods out, and you may find that cleaning becomes a less arduous and more rewarding task. Each small effort can lead to substantial improvements in the cleanliness and ambiance of your home. Encouraging sharing is also part of this cleaning journey. If you discover variations of these hacks that work better for your specific conditions, or if you have tricks of your own, sharing them can help others who might be struggling with similar cleaning challenges. This communal exchange of knowledge enhances everyone's ability to maintain cleaner, healthier living spaces. Moreover, engaging with a community of fellow cleaners can provide motivation and new ideas. Whether it's through social media, blogs, or even casual conversations, spreading the word about these cleaning hacks can inspire a wider adoption of these effective, eco-friendly methods. Lastly, remember that every small step counts. By adopting these cleaning hacks, not only do you improve your own space, but you also contribute to a larger movement towards healthier, more sustainable living practices. Let's embrace these changes together and make each home a cleaner, happier place.